Welcome to Doug Does Stuff. I'm Doug, and tonight's video is a little bit different. It's not about a mod. It's not about fixing a printer. This is an open letter to Anycubic because of everything that's been going on. Now listen, I actually have no hearing right now. I was really sick with flu B last week, turned into ear infection, and I have lost my hearing. So I'm hoping you can hear this, but this video was an important enough video to make. So I want to read the letter I wrote. It will also be in PDF below, and I'll probably post it up around the web. Dear Anycubic, do better. This is an open letter from DougDoesStuff. To the leadership and support teams at Anycubic, my name is Doug, and I run the YouTube channel DougDoesStuff. I am writing this as a loyal customer, a creator, and most importantly, as a representative of the community that feels abandoned by a brand that they helped build. For a long time, I was your advocate. When the Kobra S1 launched, it wasn't perfect. My unit really was and is a lemon. And even tonight, as I am writing this letter, I'm battling a new problem where my printer has only decided to print in one quadrant of the print bed. And when homing, it makes some horrendous noises. All new tonight. But I stayed because you stood behind it. You answered tickets. You were accountable. That trust is why I kept sending you my hard-earned money. I bought the Kobra 3 V2. I backed the S1 Max in November when it was announced. I then backed and also bought the Kobra X, as well as two Ace 2 Pro units. None of these were sponsored. This was because I believed in a brand who, while had problems, stood behind it. Like me, many of us fronted the money for these machines with high expectations. And we didn't back out when you changed the shipping dates on the S1 and the Kobra X multiple times. We stayed even though those goalposts continued to move. But today, that loyalty is being challenged. It's being met with silence. Across the community, the frustration is reaching a breaking point. There's a shipping lottery. S1 Max printers are starting to ship at random. People in the second batch of orders are getting deliveries, while those of us who ordered on day one have zero communication. Pre-orders for the Kobra X sit in limbo, while people who ordered last week are already up and running. There's lackluster support. Support that was once great has now fallen into tickets that are ignored, tickets that are given wrong information or information that has nothing to do with the ticket that was submitted. Or worse, they're getting runaround emails asking them to pay for warranty parts via some unofficial PayPal address. There's a communication gap. On April 1st, I had to email you because a loyalty coupon for my K3 V2 Ace Pro unit arrived. But the first coupon I put in for my S1 combo never came and was missing. It shouldn't be the customer's job to chase down a promise that you made. Because the communication from your end has been poor, I've stepped in and built a tool for the community to use in communication with your support team. I've created a Gemini Gem, a custom AI tool for the community to use for free. It helps users craft emails to support in a clear, professional, and easy to translate format so that our issues can actually be understood by your global teams. I did this because our community deserves to be heard even when communication is challenging. I'm going to be honest with you. I am trying to build this YouTube channel, but I know that making a video like this, calling out a major manufacturer, doesn't usually sit well with potential sponsors down the road. Most people would tell me to stay quiet and protect my brand. But this is more important to me than a sponsorship. It's about the many others out there like me who spent their hard-earned dollars on something you promised. Listen, I'm a father, and there's a lesson I try to instill in my son. Do better. In our house, we have a simple standard. We do good things. Building tools to help the community is part of that. Standing up when a company fails its customers is part of that. Listen, I want to be an Anycubic supporter. I want to still believe your products have value. But you need to follow and do what you preach. The very least you can do is communicate. If there are delays, tell us. If support system is overwhelmed, fix it. But don't leave people who have funded your growth out of their pockets. Don't leave them in the dark. Now, I hope this letter reaches the right people at Anycubic, and I hope it helps you, Anycubic, do better going forward. We're waiting for more than just a printer. We're waiting for the company that used to show up and the company that we used to trust to come back. Thank you.